Hello friends, today we are discussing about anatomy and physiology important 30 questions and answers. Page 6. First question. Which types of muscle is found in the wall of intestine in human body? Cardiac muscles, striated muscle, smooth muscle, skeletal muscle. Correct answer is option C, smooth muscle. Next question. Which of the following strongest muscle based on weight in human being? Masseter, zygomaticus, diaphragm, levator ani. And correct answer is option A, masseter. Next question. Where is sperm being stored in human body? Prostate, epididymis, septa, tunica, albuginea. And correct answer is epididymis. Next question. What type of bone is scapula? Irregular bone, short bone, flat bone, long bone. And correct answer is option C, flat bone. Next question. Alpha cells secrete hormone is called insulin, serotonin, adrenaline, glucagon. And correct answer is option D, glucagon. Next question. Sternal angle means junction of the manubrium and the body, the clavicular notch of the sternum, junction of the clavicle and the scapula, none of these. And correct answer is option A, junction of the manubrium and the body. Next question. Which of the following protein factory of cells? Ribosomes, lysosomes, chloroplast, cytoskeleton. And correct answer is option A, ribosomes. Next question. Golgi tendon organs are responsible for directing ligament stretch, tendon stretch, muscle stretch, none of these. And correct answer is option B, tendon stretch. Next question. The coronary arteries are branches from the left ventricle, left atrium, aorta, celiac trunk. And correct answer is option C, aorta. Next question. Which of the following valve does separate left atrium from left ventricle in the heart? Aortic valve, pulmonic valve, tricuspid valve, mitral valve. And correct answer is option D, mitral valve. Next question. Which of the following cartilage covers ends of long bones? Articular, hyaline, elastic, periosteum. And correct answer is option A, articular. Next question. Most joints in the body is articular, hyaline, synovial, periosteum. And correct answer is option C, synovial. Next question. Where does the olfactory organ is located? Roof of the nasal cavity, inside the abdominal cavity, beside lacrimal gland, inside chest cavity. And correct answer is option A, roof of the nasal cavity. Next question. Hemophilia results from abnormal type of hemoglobin, insufficient number of circulating platelets, lack of one or more plasma proteins involved in blood clotting, iron deficiency in body. And correct answer is option C, lack of one or more plasma proteins involved in blood clotting. Next question. Mucous membrane is secret thin watery serous fluid found lining the respiratory and urinary passage, a semi-fluid substance composed of entirely lipids, none of these. And correct answer is option B, found lining the respiratory and urinary passages. Next question. Largest vein in human body is radial vein, anterior jugular vein, inferior vena cava, cerebellar vein. And correct answer is option C, inferior vena cava, that is IVC. Next question. Which structure helps to force out the baby during labor? Infundibulum, cervix, myometrium, fundus. And correct answer is option C, myometrium. Next question. The function of prostate gland is secretes fluid that nourishes and protects sperm, secretes luteinizing hormone, secretes growth hormone, secretes estrogen. And correct answer is option A, secretes fluid that nourishes and protects sperm. Next question. Which of the following muscle is responsible to produce much of the heat in the body? Smooth muscle, skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle, muscle fibers. And correct answer is option B, skeletal muscle. Next question. Which of the following bone is known as shoulder blade? Clavicle, scapula, humerus, acromion. And correct answer is option B, scapula. Where is a jugular notch or suprasternal notch found in? Above the manubrium of the sternum and between the two clavicles. Below manubrium of the sternum, above the Seifert process of the sternum, above between these two scapula. And correct answer is option A, above the manubrium of the sternum and between the two clavicles. Next question. The function of the celiac trunk is supplies deoxygenated rich blood to heart, supplies oxygenated rich blood to brain, supplies oxygenated rich blood to lower extremity, supplying oxygen rich blood to the stomach, spleen. And correct answer is option D, supplying oxygen rich blood to the stomach, spleen. Next question. The smallest unit that scientists agree is alive is the tissues, organs, cell, none of them. And correct answer is option C, cell. Next question. Which is the largest cell in the human body? Nerve cells, female ovum, sperm, mycoplasma. And correct answer is option B, female ovum. Next question. Smallest vertebra in human body is sacrum, lumbar, dorsal, cervical. And correct answer is option D, cervical. Next question. The joint between the C1 and C2 vertebrae is called gliding joint, atlantoaxial joint, pivot joint, hinge joint. And correct answer is option B, atlantoaxial joint. Next question. A plane that divides the body into left and right portion is sagittal or lateral plane, frontal or coronal plane, transverse plane, oblique plane. Correct answer is option A, sagittal or lateral plane. Next question. Normally, white blood cells count in human body is 1000 and 2000 cells in every microliter of blood, 2000 and 3000 cells in every microliter of blood, 4000 and 11,000 cells in every microliter of blood. None of them. And correct answer is option C, 4000 and 11,000 cells in every microliter of blood. Next question. The abdominal cavity contains the heart and lungs, stomach, intestine, liver, spleen, gallbladder, urinary bladder, rectum, brain and spinal cord. And correct answer is option B, stomach, intestine, liver, spleen, gallbladder. Next question. Which of the following is largest serous membrane in human body? Olive, pons, Golgi apparatus, peritoneum. And correct answer is option D, peritoneum.